Okay, so like I said I was going to do, I'm going to make a couple little videos to help you. Okay, so if you guys go and connect, okay, go on to week 9 classwork. This is where you'll find this video anyway. Okay, so up the top you see intro to algebra. So that's that education perfect stuff that most of you guys have been working on. If you read my email, go to these things. These should help you with algebra. This is like pre-algebra. So the first things I want to look at now is this one. If you print off this one, and this one, okay? If you don't have a printer, come to school, and I've actually made up work packs, okay? For those of you that can't print off. Okay, so this is what I've printed off. So this is each of these. So number line for working out should look like that. Adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. 1 is like a series. It says like 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the last one, adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. 2 is this one here. Okay, so this number line is just to help us work out. Okay, so this one here. Okay, so pretty much with a number line, okay, because now we're starting to look at negative numbers. So you guys know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the negative numbers are on the other side of the 0, and it's kind of like a mirror image. So when we add, doesn't matter where we're starting from, but we add, we always move this way. Subtracting, we always move down this way. Okay, so this one here. So you can see here, negative numbers are on this side of the 0, and the positive numbers all on this side. So first thing, just mark these numbers on the number line. You guys can do that. Okay, so these are just some like positive, negative number rules, okay? So when you have, this is just a number. So a number, take away a negative number, okay? These two, when you have two negatives together, you get a positive, okay? So here's some examples. So 2 take away -1, okay? So there's two negatives together. Actually becomes 2 plus 1, which is 3. Okay, -3 take 5, two negatives together. -3 plus 5. Okay, and if you go to the number line, -3 plus 5, -3, remember adding is this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay, so now if you have a number plus a negative number, okay, that is the same when you have a positive and negative. It doesn't matter what side, if the negative's on that side, positive is on that side, or like this. These two, always negative always wins, okay? So it becomes negative. Okay, and here's some examples. So 2 plus -1, okay, is actually 2 take 1. So these two become a take, which is 1. And -3 plus -5 is the same as -3 take 5. So -3 take goes down this way. So -3 take 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is -8. Okay, and here's some examples here. So 3 plus 4, okay, adding, you know how to do that. 7 takes 6, subtracting, so you start at 7, subtract 6, you know how to do that. Okay, where am I up to? Oh, 2 take 5, so you start at 2, take, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is -3. Okay, and -4, so you start, this number, the one in front tells you where to start, plus 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, -1. Okay, so now you guys are going to do this one on your own. Okay, you've got number lines here that you can use. Okay, so you guys do this. Okay, the next one here is adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers too. So the first thing you have to do is show these on the number line. Okay, so this is a thing, and this is something you guys get wrong a lot. Not you guys, but just high school kids. Okay, so 2.5. Okay, you should know 2.5. Okay, this is hard to do with the camera. Here. Okay, -1. Okay, and 1/4 is about here. Not here, it's here, because 1 1/4 is between 1 and 2. okay, it's here. So I'm going to get you to try this. Just guess, do your best here. Okay, now these ones I'm going to leave you to do. One, now you've got to, the reason why there's two lines is you've got to change this to a positive, so it's 1 something 4, so it's, and the same here, and then solve it, okay? Now, this is another one where you're just marking on the line, so you can mark all of these the best you can. You guys can do that. And here we have more adding and subtracting of positive and negative numbers. And here's the ones where you need to add and you need to change these two to a plus or a minus first, and then do it. Okay, so this is the first lot of work I want you to do, the adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. Okay, so get back to me. Bye.